Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It is day 3 of my part 3 little mini series that I'm making. Today we're going to be checking out Old Faithful, watching it erupt. Sounds super exciting, can't wait to see that. Alright guys, here we are at Yellowstone National Park. National Park Mountain right there. Decided to go down the Firehole River Scenic Drive. And it sure is scenic too. Firehole Falls right there, guys. Guys, check that out up in the tree. I think it might be an osprey nest, but it could be a stork's nest possibly. That's real cool. I can kind of see the bird in there. Not that good though. Guys, we made it to Old Faithful. It is packed here. It's the most packed I've ever seen it. I was here one year and I could like really just kind of hang out. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow. Alright, well, I guess that was it. That's pretty cool. Let's check out the gift shop, guys. I think I'm gonna get this one just because it's a geyser. We're in Yellowstone after all. And this one's really cool, but I'm gonna get this sticker. pork chop. Wearing the fine. Yeah.
I mean, we've heard a lot of things in the past 24 hours that weren't kept to
Yellowstone Lake here. Big lake. You can actually kayak out of this, and there's some trails over there you can go to. Dried up right now. Nothing coming out of it. Alright guys, that was just the West Thumb Geyser Basin. We just finished that. We just finished Old Faithful. We've pretty much done a lot of what's left. We have Mammoth Basin left, but I don't think we're going to be doing that today. We are coming back next week, so there's a chance we could do that, but I think next week we're going to be focusing more on the hiking side of things rather than the geothermal, like super touristy side of things. But yeah, sorry, this is kind of a little bit different than what I'm usually filming, but it's more of just kind of like a showcase of the park. Next week it'll probably be me talking more and just like probably more personal. Well guys, that's Yellowstone, but before we go, we're gonna stop in the town of West Yellowstone, get some food, and check out some of the shops. So, see you guys in town. Well guys, that was our second bear. That was pretty sick. That was like easily the closest we've both been to a bear. And I feel like you guys can see that a lot better than you guys could see on the day one bear. Alright guys, we made it to West Yellowstone. Me and my brother, we are currently on our way to Rocky Mountain Pizza Company. And we're gonna order us a pizza.
Oh yeah.
There's the pizza, guys. Let's try it. Pretty good. Very good. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed these last 3 days in Yellowstone. Let me know in the comments if you made it this far. If you do, you're a real one, straight up. Be sure to like and subscribe the video. I'm coming back to Yellowstone again next week. So if you like Yellowstone content, let me know. If you like backpacking content, you're in the right place. I am a van lifer who's living in a car. So I'm always outdoors doing hiking, camping, and just traveling, all the good stuff, trying to live my best life out here. So thanks for watching, and see you guys next week.